How to send direct message on Twitter X. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to send direct message or how to DM someone in Twitter. After you open up your Twitter X like this now, you can do that on your Android device or iOS device. After you open the Twitter X, so now I'll just go ahead and find someone that I want to DM him or send him a direct message. So let's say I'll just scroll all the way to down. I'll just find, let's say I want to send a direct message, as you can see now, to this person. So tap on the person profile. So after you open up the person profile, as you can see now, if you want to send a direct message to this person, so now you can tap on this, as you can see now, this inbox icon, you can tap on it. This one, this inbox icon, tap on it. So after you open this inbox icon, as you can see now, it will take you to this option. So here you can just send audio message, here you can send video or picture, and here you can type message. So I'll just type like this message. So after you type this message like this, so you can tap on this send button. So as you can see now here it says sent. So now I send message to this person. If you want to see the message that you sent, or if you want to see the reply of this person, all you have to do now, you can just go back. So as you can see now, go back again. So let's say you open your Twitter X like this. To find the message that you sent, you can tap on this. As you can see now, you can tap on the inbox section. So after you tap on this inbox section, here you can be able to see all the people that you just messaged them. So here is the person that I just messaged him. So as you can see now, here is the person. That's it guys on how to send direct message to someone on Twitter X. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.